Our small mirrorless core unit is not only a frequently requested product, but it's perhaps our most versatile core unit yet. When it's placed on its short end, its width is narrower and a perfect fit for the Explore 25. When you rotate it 90 degrees, it's a perfect fit for most other Shimoda backpacks. The core unit itself is great for those who want a smaller camera bag with a relatively small amount of camera gear. But it also allows you to carry small camera setups in a bigger bag with a lot more adventure gear. Our mirrorless series is designed to hold mirrorless camera bodies like the Sony A7 series, but can also hold a DSLR as tall as a Canon 5D. It has an internal depth of 12 centimeters or 4.7 inches, which is also a good fit for compact drones. The small mirrorless core unit features a side access door which easily integrates with the Explore 25 backpack. Shimoda core units are constructed with compression molded EVA, a brushed tricot lining, and a jersey exterior. Not only does it look beautiful, but it functions in a much friendlier way than traditional inserts. Because the walls and dividers are assembled as one piece, this along with the curved attachment tabs eliminates the frustration of pulling on the lining while accessing your core unit. It's these small details that make all the difference in the field. All core units come with their own skin to protect your gear from dust when not in your backpack. The skin also works great as a packing cell for your clothing. If you're looking for a compact solution inside a small or large backpack, our new small mirrorless core unit is for you.